Welcome back to Auto Plus Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most exhilarating performance sedans on the market, the 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. This car is a rare breed in a segment that's increasingly going electric or downsizing. The CT5-V Blackwing doesn't apologize for what it is, a bold, loud, V8-powered, rear-wheel drive monster with track-bred DNA, wrapped in a package that can still turn heads at the valet. Let's start with the exterior, which strikes the perfect balance between elegance and aggression. Cadillac's design language is sharper than ever for 2025, and the CT5-V Blackwing benefits from a refresh that includes a reworked front fascia with a wider grille, sleeker LED lighting signatures, and a more pronounced lower splitter. The car still looks menacing, but now it's more refined. It rides low and wide, with functional aero elements like a carbon fiber rear spoiler and diffuser, especially if you opt for the carbon fiber packages. Every vent, fin, and crease has a purpose. The mesh grille improves airflow, the hood extractor pulls heat from the engine bay, and the stance screams performance. It's available in an array of bold colors, and the blacked-out trim, quad exhaust tips, and forged alloy wheels seal the deal. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, and this is where the CT5-V Blackwing truly sets itself apart. Under the hood is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 that produces 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This is one of the last remaining manual transmission V8 sedans on the market, and Cadillac has made sure to make it count. You can get it with a 6-speed manual that's been engineered for enthusiasts, complete with rev matching, no lift shifting, and a short throw shifter that feels precise and mechanical. If you prefer 2 pedals, the 10-speed automatic is no slouch either, offering lightning-fast shifts and adaptive performance algorithms that learn your driving style. 0 to 60 comes in just about 3.4 seconds with the automatic, and top speed pushes past 200 miles per hour. This isn't just fast for a Cadillac, it's one of the fastest sedans in the world. But raw speed isn't everything. What makes the CT5-V Blackwing special is how it handles. Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 keeps the body flat and composed through corners, while an electronic limited slip differential and performance traction management system keep you planted. The steering is sharp and communicative, giving you real feedback without feeling twitchy. Brembo brakes with optional carbon ceramics provide fade-free stopping power, and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires give incredible grip. On the road, it can be surprisingly civilized, quiet when you want it to be, and thanks to adaptive exhaust, you can dial in exactly how much rumble you want. On the track, though, it transforms into a completely different animal. This car has been tested at the Nürburgring, and the engineers have dialed in the suspension and chassis to be right at home on AR. Step inside, and the CT5-V Blackwing's cabin doesn't disappoint. This isn't just a track car with a stripped-out interior. Cadillac has gone all in on blending luxury with purpose. The 2025 model year brings a new 33-inch curved LED display that seamlessly integrates the driver information cluster and infotainment system. It's crisp, fast, and customizable, giving off serious tech luxury vibes. The materials are what you'd expect from a top-tier Cadillac. You get hand-wrapped leather on the dash, carbon fiber accents, Alcantara trim, and real metal finishes. The front seats are heavily bolstered, with optional high-performance sport buckets that offer 18-way adjustability, heating, ventilation, and even a massage function, something few other performance sedans can claim. In the back, there's decent space for adults, although headroom tapers slightly due to the fastback roofline. As for pricing, the 2025 CT5-V Blackwing starts at just over $94,000, which, yes, is a lot. But considering what you're getting, it's a bargain in the world of high-performance sedans. Fully loaded with all the options and carbon fiber upgrades, you're looking at around $115,000. But here's the thing, there's nothing else quite like it. Not from BMW, not from Audi, not even Mercedes. This is a raw, analog, rear-drive V8 with luxury levels of comfort and cutting-edge tech. It's a swan song for American performance sedans, and Cadillac has made sure it goes out with a bang. So, if you're the kind of driver who wants brutal performance, a manual gearbox, a luxurious cabin, and a car that can do both daily duties and weekend track work, the 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing should be at the top of your list. This might just be the last of its kind, and what a way to go out. Thanks for watching Auto Plus Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you think the Blackwing still has a place in today's performance world. See you in the next one.